Okay, guys, we have another one for today. Come on, we are winning 2017 Porsche 911. Battery disconnected. Do not close the hood. Oh, seems like someone already closed the hood. Yeah, that sucks. So, why this car is here? Damage in the back, maybe? Nope. Okay, damage on the side? Nope. Ah, it's going, huh? Oh, we have some secrets. We have some secrets. Come on, guys. Tell me that you guys don't see it. Yeah, do you guys see that? Boom, boom. That's a laser shifters. Yep, laser shifters. We have some aftermarket exhaust. Let's see. Can we open this guy? Yes, we can. Definitely. Nice, clean. This one doesn't smell like mold. So, for some reason, I see underbody cover. So, I am thinking it's an undercarriage. But then again, the undercarriage isn't really enough to deem this car a garbage. What do you guys think? Because I really think that something is fishy. Fishy, fishy, fishy. There is a lot of cars today that we looked, and a lot of them are, I don't know. I really think those are bargains. You guys let me know what you guys think, but yeah. Man, please don't tell me that someone took the key. Please. Let's hope that office took the key. Because it seems like obviously there was a key here. Not anymore. Inside, I mean, it's pretty nice and clean. Ooh, what is that? Hmm. I have a feeling that this is your controller for those sensors. What? For the laser shifters. Came factory from Porsche? What? No way. No way. If I'm right, no way. This is supposed to be your kind of your key here, you know. It's a keyless, so that's needs to stay there. But again, like why? Why this guy's here? Oh man, yeah. Look, I think for reals, for reals. This is a look at it. Porsche Carrera. Look at this. This is for your radar detector. So this one has a built-in radar detector and the laser shifters. Man, this car it's a stealth car for all of you guys. What is that? Oh, touch up. Nice. But yeah, look at it. This will be a fun car to drive. And I want to pop the hood, but obviously we cannot. So I wonder where is the radar detector in the front. Yeah, I don't know. If you guys know where usually the detector stays, let me know down in the comments. But wow, now I'm curious. This is nuts. How can you pop? Oh, can't pop anything. Not the front, not the back, nothing. Oh well. But yeah, laser shifters in the back from the manufacturer. That is something that you don't see every day. So let me know, guys, down in the comments. You guys seen a Porsche like that? Because there is no sensor there. You have the camera there, but that's for lane assistance. But other than that, yeah. Oh, look, see that? Boom. Laser shifter number one. Boom. Laser shifter number two. This is for your radar for the front to keep a track of the front vehicle. I think. Well, it should be, because this is adaptive cruise control. And if this doesn't have adaptive cruise control, that means that's what it is. That's the sensor for. That's your front sensor. But I'm pretty sure it should be adaptive. Yeah. You have right there your cruise control, but I don't know if it's adaptive one. Huh. Interesting. Yeah. Ha. This car. This car has some secrets. Some secrets. I'm telling you guys. Something is fishy. Something is fishy. Okay. And once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like video like this. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.